Guys, it's super scary here. This is slippery, guys. Oh, mama. Yes. Hey, don't go there, baby. Huh? There's more? This is scary. Guys, I make it to go there. I mean to get down. Look at this, guys. Oh shit, take over. Guys, I did not make it. It's too much for me, guys. This is it. I'm just a little bit scared. Not a little bit, a lot of scared. Like, can't anymore. So my partner go there alone. And then me and my caramel stayed here. I will just see her, right? She's hot. It's too much for me, guys. Scared. And look, my dog. It's super hot now. Right? Sugar, man. Mommy did not bring you water. I know. So. Hi everyone, we are here at camping, but look, I'm cleaning our cars just inside. And look at him because there's no water here. For some reason they said there's something problem of the line, so he kept going there, get there. And here we go. I'm just trying to clean the inside. We're trying to prepare to go back tomorrow, like to go home. So I just want to clean and everything, like, you know. So I clean this already, and then I'm gonna move forward at the back. Yeps. Okay, talk to you later again, guys. So yep, I clean everything. It's just not obvious because nothing, I'm just like rushing. Okay, so ready. Okay, talk to you guys. See you later, guys. Bye. Hi everyone, done cleaning. So just look not clean, but that's clean. I mean, it's fixed. There's some laundry for the showers, and then our clothes, those stuff, they're gonna put that there. So not bad. And then let's go at the other side so you guys can see. You see, super dusty the car. And for this one, yeah, like I said, this is for this one because, you know, yeah, for the bedding and everything. And then this is the emergency toilet. So this is the bag and then everything. And this is my dog stuff. This is it. We're ready to go for tomorrow. We're gonna wake up at this 5 a.m. right? 5 a.m. So my baby's not done to her kitchen, to his kitchen stuff there. So to put there. Put away.
We're gonna eat.
Oh yeah, we're gonna eat. He cooked some noodles, so okay guys, bye. Noodles my baby cooked for me. So before he bought me a lot of that at Costco, but I know for some reason he stopped by. Okay, we're just gonna eat. Nice view, right? Chilling and relax with my fiance.
Yeah.
Okay, and with my baby Caramel. We miss Chippy so much, but she did not train outside.